Apuds, let's go! Ano po, no? Dito na naman tayo! So, yeah! Mga kapuds, hello! This is my first vlog at hindi ko alam kung ano sasabihin ko sa inyo, no? Ang hirap pala mag-vlog, wala kang maisip na content o kahit ano man papasok sa utak mo. Wala kang maisip na anong idea paano mo sisimulan yung vlog. I never thought that it's vlogging is so hard like this. Oh yeah! Yeah! Gago. I don't know paano mag-vlog. Ang hirap pala mag-vlog, no? Wala ka talagang may lalabas. Wala akong plano. Zero. Wala akong iniisa. Pag wala akong maisip na content. Vlog ka na! Let's go! So yun na nga. First time vlogger here. Wala akong idea kung paano mag-vlog. I don't even know the function. Hindi ko na alam paano edit. Hindi ko lang. May experience ako mag-edit. Tulad nito ah! Back to back! Wala ko talagang experience kaya pa mag-vlog. O kahit na ano man eh. Sibuang kayo mo. Nung agyu eh. Try tayo. Kaya try and try. Till you die, Elijo. Don't be afraid of nothing. Nothing will become someday something. Ay na. Yeah, this all of it. At the points nga pala. Kaya ko yung gawin yung sarili ko na isang living content material. Being a content material, I don't really know how to execute things. Got a lot of marami akong idea in mind. So, I need to make them out. So, yun na nga. Ngayon, we need to do something cool. Or maybe not cool. Basta Koreana niya. So, I don't need to be over-exaggerated person. No, you must be yourself. That's the first rule na of being vlogger. I don't know. Yeah. Oras natin. Gago! I don't know how to execute things. So, I need you guys to comment down below. What should I do? Advise me on how to vlog. May naisip po kayo, mukbang. Ano yung kumakain ka lang kumakain? Mukbang. 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 Bang. 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 So, I need to search something to produce content para sa inyo, no? That's my everyday life. I sit on this, I call it the rotating chair. Ayan. And may hobby ako na gitara. And local na brand lang siya. Just wala pa akong may maraming skills. Keep on practicing so you can achieve someday. Imaginein mo yun, no? Imaginein mo yun. You're going to stand in the front of thousands of people on a big stage. Sky's the limit, boys, guys, girls. Don't lose the gas of your life. Kasi once you lose the gas of your life, you're just going to tirik-tirik there, no? Wala mo, interview ka pala yung vlogging. You need to talk to the audience. Well, my audience is right. Why my audience right now is you. Camera. Ito lang yung audience mo. Para akong baliw dito, no? Nagsasalita mag-isa, no? Introduce. Yo guys! Talagang maganda yan. Let's go! Hello, my name is Puds. Nice to meet you. Hey class! Nice to meet you. So yeah, my name is Sage Boots and I do a lot of things. I get Lambo over there, park out there in the parking lot of the front of the school, and I love to do this. You know this? You put an alcohol on your hand and you scribble like that. Sa inyo ano dito, sir? The studio. I just need to rock your world, mga... Find someone else and I'm saying I'm sorry for being who I am. It's fast again. Pre, sabi ni Ana, may chocolate ka daw. Ha? Anong chocolate pinagsasabi mo, tol? Did you mean Theobroma Cacao? Chocolate, gago, yung matamis. Theobroma Cacao ka. Tol, alam mo ba bakit pinatay si Dr. Jose Rizal? Hindi ko alam, pre. Baka napagkamalan lang siya. Operation Tokhang. Ano mo eh, hindi ka nang hihi. Oh, you're the best. Thank you, bro, ah. So, yun na no mga kapuds. Like, and comment, and subscribe. Nasa man sa dalawang ito, hiling mo na rin yung bell. Tapos, eto na! So,